Well, it's a late night here at Herbies Garage. I'm working on my FJR 1300 Yamaha. As you can see, I'm getting ready to pull the engine on it. I still got quite a ways to go, but I got the radiator removed and the exhaust. I got to take the wheel off and the drive line and all that kind of stuff. But I want to show you what I found. Here, I took the valve cover off and took the camshaft off on the intake side, and as you can see, the bucket's missing, and there's pieces of the bucket. There's a piece right there that was laying down in here, and there's all kinds of little pieces here and over here. And if you look right down in here, that's the keeper that holds the valve up. It came off. And if you look at this, I'll pull the spring out, because I thought, well, maybe it just broke the head of the valve off. But if you look, I don't know if you can see it, but it still has the groove in it for those keepers. And the one next to it here, I lifted the bucket up, and this bucket's okay, but look underneath the bucket. I didn't do anything with it. All I did was lift that bucket off there. And look at those keepers. They're both out. See that? Both keepers came off. I've never seen this before. And it ended up bending the valve. Look down the hole, you can see the head of a valve stuck in that valve. I think it's the valve off of the other side over here. That one. I think there's a piece of that came off and got stuck over here. So this head is trashed, and no telling what underneath of it is trashed too. I don't know if it's going to have a hole in the piston, but more than likely it probably does. So I'll be looking for a replacement engine. Okay, that's all I got for you for right now. I'll see you on the next one.